What up, Andre? Welcome to the Andre Bertham, I cannot pronounce your last name, podcast. Alright, time for some homework. Oh, by the way, let me know if this doesn't compile on yours. I'm getting a new computer. I still have Windows 7. I know you do, but my last project for Ed did not compile, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, so this first question, I think. Hopefully, this is the right one. Alright. Yeah, pretty easy stuff. I just used the star from the last project. Where we at? Where did I change things? Oh my goodness. Sorry. I really should have known where I was going before. Yeah, so you just use the 6 points because it's just a gradient thing. You only have to have those ones that you had earlier. Not too hard. You had to put in that. I think that's all you had to do, as far as I remember. It's been a while. Second one, you obviously need more because you need to have the two different. Basically, you need 3 points for each corner of the box. So that's what I have here. They're kind of like unintelligently laid out because I, was going. Did it in sequence. But yeah, so here you go. Here's all of them. And then obviously you got to change the size, make sure the buffer has enough size, and then counterclockwise rotations. I just drew it out. I didn't know if there was an easier way to do it or not, but that's what I did. I drew it out, and that's how I got all those points. So that's that one. The third question, I don't think I needed to make a project, as far as I remember. Yeah, so I did. It doesn't work. And I think the reason is, let's see, right here in the input layout, it's because this should be here and this should be there. Otherwise, I think it works. And then, yeah, this is my last one. I think it's a different color because I messed up the first recording. So I think it'll be black in the middle, but... Oh, wait, what? What's happened? Oh, I closed the wrong one. Alright, sorry. You gotta bear with me, Andre. I'm sorry. I know you gotta listen to like 5 of these, so maybe skip ahead 15 seconds. Or 500 of these, rather. Maybe skip ahead a little bit. Alright, we're good to go. This should work. Alright, there she is in all her glory. Change the color. It'll be changed in the screen. Alright, come on. Alright, cool. So basically I just used the one from the second problem, the triangle. That's how I get all the points. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that this layout is correct for the vertex buffer, and then for the actual vertex buffer itself, the parameters are different. I don't know if that's the actual word. The two things that go into it, I forgot the actual name for it. But you got to change these to either 0 or 1 because that's because they're an int, which is what you define within the struct, right? So now you have the color num, that label. You have this buffer, the constant buffer for the color. Yeah, and then you got to make sure that the pixel shader stuff is all correct. So it's got to return, what is, or the, sorry, you got to return what the pixel data, whatever the buffer is. All right, sorry, I'm stepping over my feet. All right, next question. I think it's the constant buffer and the shader constant. The constant buffer is basically the space you set aside on the GPU to like put in some data, and the shader constant is what essentially like will accept that data. So it's like the space put aside for the shader stuff. So like I don't know which command it is exactly. I think it's right here. No, it's this one. Yeah. So this is basically you're attaching your constant buffer that you made, and you're attaching that to the shader constant. And then the last question is this guy, this simple color plus changing. The reason that it doesn't work is because you only have the 3 vertexes defined. So basically, the shader constant's not gonna do it from the edges of the screen. You would almost need like 2 overlaying, you know, different shaders, I guess. I don't know if there would be different shaders, but different buffers or whatever to get this image. But when you do this, it's only taking those 3 inputs, so it's just going to take it from the edge of these and be wider, as opposed to this and then like overlay it. So yeah, that should be it. I don't know if I said that in this one, but I'm getting a new computer. Hopefully it works. Let me know if my code doesn't work. But otherwise, yeah, have a good one.